On December 4th, 2024, the U.S. cryptocurrency market hit a remarkable milestone with spot Ethereum ETFs seeing $165.5 million in net inflows. This marks the 8th straight day of positive momentum, showcasing a surge in investor confidence. Major players like BlackRock, Fidelity, and Grayscale are leading the charge, with BlackRock's ETH capturing a whopping $122.2 million, almost three-quarters of the total inflows. Fidelity's FETH followed with $40.7 million, while Grayscale's ETH brought in $8.8 million, despite some challenges with ETH. This trend highlights the growing appeal of spot ETFs, which offer direct exposure to crypto, making it simpler and more transparent for investors. With lower costs and less complexity, Ethereum is solidifying its place in the decentralized finance landscape.